Hello and welcome to one more video of box info. Today we are going to unbox the Lenovo IdeaPad S540, which is a 15-inch laptop. So this is the retail box. Here you can see the Lenovo branding. Here you can see the product description. This is not the retail price. I will give you the price in the description. So let's start the unboxing. So it's not much packing here, there is just one foam covering the whole body. So this is the laptop. Let me keep the laptop aside for now. So we have some paperwork here. Let me just remove this film. We have two paperwork here. This is the charger of the device. So let me keep the box aside. So we don't get any much things in this one. So let me remove the package. It's a very big laptop. I like the clean finish here. It's a metallic gray. So nothing much, only these are the things which come in the box. So this is the setup guide. So don't worry, I will explain everything in the video, so you don't need this quick guide. If you want to see the detail, just pause the video and you can take a screenshot of this one. It has some multiple languages. So this is a safety guide, safety and warranty guide. So this laptop comes with the genuine Windows and MS Office. So we do get two software for lifetime. So this is a 65-watt charger. Let me open this Velcro. It's a very heavy duty cable. You're not getting those cheap kind of power cord here. This is a charger. So I will show you the specification of this one here. This is a 65-watt charger. Very compact. So here you can see the description here. So it's a 65-watt charger. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this one here. So it's a 15.6-inch laptop, metallic gray. So it's a matte finish, so you are not going to slip your laptop from your fingers. So I like what Lenovo is doing with its brand logo. It's a very fairly simple branding here, which makes the device more premium. So let's see what ports we are getting on this device. So here we have a barrel pin connector for power purpose, one HDMI connector, one USB Type-C connector, and a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio output. Here we have a very unique feature of this laptop. This is a always on USB 3.0 connector for charging your devices like MP3, your watches, and even your phone. So we do have one USB 3.0 connector and one SD card slot. Let's take a look at the laptop. So this is the quickest boot guide. So this is the instruction to be followed whenever you start your device for the first times. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this here. So these are some instructions to be followed whenever you start your device for the first time. So here we can see the Lenovo branding here. I like this one. And here we have some Intel i5 logo and NVIDIA graphics stickers. This laptop has a Dolby Atmos supports, so it supports Dolby audio. This is a fairly simple keyboard. The key travel is also good on this one. We do have a number pad here, which I love to have in the laptop. This is the Fingerprint Reader. Here we have a power button. I like the keyboard. It's a fairly simple keyboard. The trackpad is a kind of a small on this one, so compared to the size of the laptop, the trackpad seems a little small for this one. So this is a very slim laptop. This is the very slim and light laptop. So we have a metal and plastic combination. So the upper part of the laptop is completely metal, and the bottom, which is a kind of a metal and plastic combo here. So they call it aluminized aluminum. So it's not a cheap laptop, it's a very premium quality plastic here. So here we have the rubber pads for the extra support on the table. We have here on the back side also. So these are the exhaust vent for the cooling purpose. I like the matte finish on this laptop. It's a very clean and neat, and it gives a very premium look to the laptop. So let's see the specification of this laptop. It has Intel i5 10th generation processor, 4 core, 8 threads at 1.6 GHz, up to 4.20 GHz with turbo boost. It comes with Windows 10 64-bit architecture, Full HD display 1920 by 1080 IPS at 250 nits anti-glare, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, 256 GB of SSD, 1 TB hard disk, 2 GB NVIDIA graphics, and a non-removable lithium-ion battery. So you can tilt your display for 180 degree also. So this is a kind of a feature in this laptop. So this laptop has one unique feature here. So for those who are concerned about their privacy here, so we do get a camera shutter here, which is a manual shutter here, as you can see. Let me just remove this plastic here. So here you can see where the camera is closed now. You just need to slide the shutter. So this is a very unique feature for those people who are concerned about their privacy. So this laptop has two microphones on the top of the camera, so video calling will be very clean on this one, and the audio quality will be perfect. So this is the trackpad. It has some tactile feature to it, but it's a very small form factor for this laptop size. So it's a fairly simple trackpad. So we did get a fingerprint reader, so you can use this for your login purpose. So keyboard, I do like the keyboard. It's a very big size keyboard, and the key travel is also very good on this one. So we do have a backlit keyboard here. So this is a backlit keyboard, so you can use on the dark environment here, so you can use it in the night. So these are the features of this keyboard. We do have a number pad here, which is very good, and some media controls on the top of the keyboard here. We have a very neat keyboard, so it's a very good keyboard, I can say. You will be not disappointed by this keyboard. So this laptop has a always on USB port. That means you can charge your devices from this laptop. So you can use this USB port for charging your mobile. Let me show you this. So you don't need to carry an extra power bank on your bag. You can just use your laptop to charge your devices. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going to make one more video regarding the performance and the speed of this laptop, so stay tuned for that one. Until then, Jai Hind.